Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache POI stands for Poor Obfuscation Implementation, but don't let the name fool you. It's a powerful tool for handling Microsoft Office documents in Java. Whether you're generating reports, extracting data, or automating document workflows, Apache POI is the backbone of many enterprise applications. Apache POI is the preferred choice because it's built on Java, making it cross-platform compatible. It supports both legacy.xls files and modern .xlsx formats, giving developers flexibility. Plus, being open source means a robust community and extensive documentation. Apache POI is modular. HSSF handles older Excel files, while XSSF works with newer ones. Similarly, HWPF and XWPF manage Word documents. Each module is optimized for its respective format, ensuring compatibility and performance. At its core, Apache POI uses a layered architecture. The low-level layer handles binary parsing, the model layer represents document structures, and the user model provides intuitive APIs for developers to interact with. To work with Excel, you start with a workbook object. For .xls files, use HSSF workbook, and for .xlsx, use XSSF workbook. From there, you navigate through sheets, rows, and cells to read or write data. Reading Excel data is straightforward. Use Workbook Factory to auto-detect the file type, then iterate through sheets and rows. Always check cell types to avoid runtime errors when extracting values. Writing Excel files is just as easy. Instantiate a new workbook, add sheets and rows, populate cells with data, and apply styling for professional-looking reports. Apache POI allows rich cell styling. You can customize fonts, colors, borders, and alignments using the Cell Style API. It even supports conditional formatting for dynamic reports. For large Excel files, memory usage can spike. Apache POI offers xxssf, a streaming version of XSSF, which writes data in chunks to avoid memory overflow. Always optimize object usage for better performance. XSSF workbook is designed for handling large datasets. It writes rows to disk in temporary files and only keeps a limited number in memory, drastically reducing the memory footprint. For read-only tasks, event-based parsing with xlsx is faster. It processes file records as events rather than loading the entire file into memory, making it perfect for big data scenarios. Apache POI also supports Word documents. XWPF handles .docx files with rich APIs for paragraphs, tables, and styles. You can extract or replace text dynamically, making it great for templating. PowerPoint files are supported through HSLF and XSLF. You can create slides, add text, embed images, and even manage animations programmatically. Robust error handling is crucial. Always validate file formats before processing, wrap file operations in try-catch blocks, and log errors for easier debugging. Security is paramount. Always validate input files to avoid exploits, disable macro execution, and sanitize any user-provided content to prevent injection attacks. One powerful use case is automating financial reports. Pull data from databases, populate Excel templates, apply corporate styles, and generate reports with zero manual effort. Another common scenario is data migration. Extract data from old Excel sheets, transform it into structured formats, and load it into modern databases for better analytics. Template-based generation is ideal for contracts or invoices. Load a pre-designed template, replace placeholders with dynamic data, and generate polished documents instantly. Compared to JXL, Apache POI supports more formats. Unlike xpos, it's open source. And while docx4 JXLs in word processing, POI's broader community makes it more versatile. Memory usage varies by format. HSSF is lighter than xlsx. For large files, xlsx and streaming parsers are the most memory-efficient options. Integrating Apache POI with Spring Boot is seamless. Add the dependency, create service classes for file operations, and expose REST endpoints for file uploads and processing. Testing is essential. Use JUnit to write unit tests, mock file inputs, and validate that your code produces the correct output formats and content. Common mistakes include forgetting to close streams, mishandling cell types, and ignoring memory limits. Always close resources, check types, and use streaming for large files. Advanced formatting includes custom number formats, cell comments, hyperlinks, merged cells, and data validation rules to make your spreadsheets more interactive. Apache POI supports Excel formulas. Use setCell formula to define them, and Formula Evaluator to compute results. Always handle potential formula errors to ensure stability. You can even create charts in Excel using Apache POI. xlsx chart supports bar, line, and pie charts, which can be embedded directly into your sheets for rich visual reports. Apache POI is not thread-safe by default. Each thread should use its own workbook instance, and shared resources must be synchronized to prevent data corruption. Enable verbose logging to catch parsing errors, use breakpoints during cell iteration, and log file metadata to aid in debugging complex issues. You can extend Apache POI with user-defined functions and custom data types. This allows integration with external libraries for specialized parsing or calculations. Apache POI can handle encrypted files. Use BIF8 encryption key for .xls and xlsx built-in support for .xlsx. Always validate passwords securely to avoid brute force vulnerabilities. To boost performance, use xlsx for large datasets, minimize cell styling, and batch write operations to reduce I/O overhead. Different POI versions support varying Office features. Always test across Office versions and use compatibility layers to ensure broad support. Apache POI continues to evolve with support for new Office formats, improved performance, and better cloud integration, making it future-proof for modern applications. The Apache POI community is vibrant. Leverage the official docs, active Stack Overflow threads, and GitHub repositories with real-world examples to accelerate your learning. Apache POI is a versatile library supporting all major Office formats, offering both streaming and event-based parsing, and rich APIs for formatting and styling. To deepen your expertise, build a real-world project, explore advanced APIs, and consider contributing to Apache POI's open-source modules. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Apache POI better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your use cases or questions. Explore more tutorials on our channel and share your Apache POI projects with us. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.